Check out the link in description box below to win the new iPhone 11 Pro.
Utah woman arrested for going topless in front of kids faces court. A Utah woman who was arrested for taking her top off in front of her stepchildren in her own home may be forced to register as a sex offender if she is convicted. Tilli Buchanan, 27, faced court on Tuesday after being charged with lewdness over the incident involving her husband's 3 children, aged 13, 10 and 9, in their West Valley City home. Her attorney urged the judge to dismiss the 3 misdemeanor charges against Buchanan and argued that the potential punishment was extreme. If convicted of the charges, Buchanan could be sentenced to prison and register as a sex offender. "If we lose this, she's on the sex offender registry with child rapists and things of that nature," her attorney Randy Richards told the Salt Lake Tribune. "The magnitude of the penalty on this is enormous." During the court appearance, Buchanan's attorney urged the judge to dismiss the charges and to change the state's lewdness laws because they discriminate against women. Police arrested Buchanan earlier this year after the children's mother reported the incident. Buchanan claims she and her husband had been installing insulation in their garage when they stripped down to rinse itchy material off their skin. She said her husband's children, 2 boys aged 13 and 9 and a 10-year-old girl, appeared embarrassed by her nudity. Buchanan claimed that she told them not to be embarrassed and that there was no difference between her being topless and their father. Prosecutors, however, say Buchanan was drunk at the time and that she told the children she would only put her shirt back on if their father exposed his penis. The judge is set to decide within the next 2 months if Buchanan violated the law by exposing her breasts to the children. Her attorney has argued that the law discriminates against females because Buchanan's husband has not been arrested, even though he also stripped down to his underwear. Buchanan has the support of the American Civil Liberties Union, who argued in court on Tuesday that the law was unconstitutional. In the statute, there's one part of it that says this part of a woman is found inherently obscene, and this part of a man isn't a clue, of Utah attorney Lee Farrell said. That really sets up an unequal and unfair dichotomy, and Tilli's case is something none of us would expect to happen to us. Buchanan claims the incident occurred in the fall of 2016. Police say it happened later, between November 2017 and January 2018. The family was already being looked at by Child Protective Services for another, unknown matter when the topless incident came up. How exactly the police found out about the incident is murky. Their mother is believed to have told authorities about the incident, while the children were the focus of the other investigation. She told investigators she was alarmed by what the children had told her. Buchanan, however, insists she did nothing wrong and that she should not be punished. She claims she was trying to teach them a lesson on sexism. "I was devastated. Because the moment I took to teach the kids, it was kind of smashed. Like, you can't teach kids this," she said. "In fact, you're going to be charged for even bringing this up."
Check out the link in description box below to win the new iPhone 11 Pro.